Introducing the Windmill Smart Inverter Air Conditioner, Ultra Quiet Air Conditioner. With curved edges, clean lines, and an auto-dimming LED display, Windmill's newest 8,000 BTU air conditioner blends right into any modern home. 35% more energy efficient. WhisperTech is 9x quieter and up to 35% more efficient than legacy non-inverter window AUC units. Efficient cooling. Our wall AC unit's angle provides better airflow and uses a refrigerant that's less detrimental to the environment than what's commonly used. Click the link in the description to learn more details